profiling differentiated global fundraising and investor relation engagement advisory services of ASPAC Multimedia Resilient TV shows. We at ASPAC Multimedia Resilient TV shows are excited to advance differentiated communication, marketing, branding, investor relations engagements, sustainability services, providing enhanced access to global strategic, corporate, financial, institutional, and capital providers with focus on investment pools of pension funds, insurance companies, asset managers, development finance institutions, sovereign wealth funds, private equity funds, family offices, charitable trusts for our valued clients in Nigeria, comprising of federal and state governments, regulatory agencies, commercial and investment banks, large, medium, and small enterprise that are desirous of equity capital, long tenure bonds, lines of trade credit measures and acquisitions, joint ventures, debt asset restructuring and recapitalization growth, and other funding instruments deals, structuring, underwriting, and execution. My name is Uyime Affia, Communication Executive of ASPAC Multimedia Limited and Executive Producer, ASPAC Multimedia Resilient TV shows. We have talented teams of highly skilled and experienced videographers, producers, screenwriters, curators, strategic presenters, narrators, designers, researchers, storytellers, and other editorial professionals and practitioners to weave, craft, and translate visionary leaders' thoughts, perspective, and action into powerful contents, marketing slogans, communication fluency, branding graphics, compelling narratives, powerful presentations, authenticity, and originality, bespoke made to measure creativity assets that resonate and connect with strategic financial institutions and corporate investors seeking superlative high yields and superior risk adjust returns emerging and frontiers markets. ASPAC Multimedia Resilient TV shows is renowned on and adept at advising clients to achieving superior resilience, competitiveness, sustainability growth, optimizing capital structure, liquidity funding, digitalization and automation, decarbonization, and climate smart infrastructure, strengthening communication and engagement opportunities and fundamentals with capital providers and rating agencies. ASPAC Multimedia Resilient TV shows goals and deliverables are assistance in bridging funding gaps of federal and state governments' budget, appropriation deficits, banks and non-banks financial institutions, recapitalization, and fresh capital injections, as well as real sector economy companies, enhanced equity and working capital access to global financial markets. ASPAC Multimedia Resilient TV shows has strategic relationships with political economy, policy, finance, and capital markets newspapers, magazines, journals, televisions, digital social media platforms such as Bloomberg, Wall Street Journal, Financial Times, Economist, Reuters Institutional Investors Magazine, Foreign Affairs Magazine, Al Jazeera, BBC, CNN, CCTV China, Aeronews to anchor summits, news conferences, exhibitions, fairs, one-on-one meetings in multiple variants of in-person and online networking parties, interviews, features, roadshows, awards, talk shows to influential and wealthy high network audience. Mr. Eniton Sanusi is chairman ASPAC Multimedia Resilient TV shows. His academic, professional, and entrepreneurial education and training span University of Ibadan, Nigeria, BSc Economics from 1974 to 1978. Bank of Credit and Commerce International Banking Academy in Karachi, Pakistan in 1980. Credit Lyonnais, Paris Centre International, the Management Saint Assignment Strategic, Sims in Saint-Germain, Paris, France in 1994. Aeromoney International Bank Summer School, Cambridge University, United Kingdom in 1991. Graduate Business School, Stanford University, Palo Alto, California in 1998. Kennedy School of Government, Harvard University, Massachusetts, United States in 2003, and Global Health Leadership Forum of University of California, Berkeley, California, United States at the King's Funds, London, United Kingdom in 2014. He is the owner of Lancome Group, consisting of the Lancome Financial Services Company Limited, the publisher of Policy Decision Makers magazine, a weekly finance, business, and political economy publication. Lancome Incorporated Washington, D.C. Policy World, a quarterly United States of America Nigeria investment capital and business journal. The Lancome China Strategy Consulting Limited, an advisory firm incorporated in Beijing, China, providing renminbi consulting services to harness opportunities in FDI capital formation and sourcing for Nigerian government MDAs, and Commercial Bank seeking to establish representative offices in China. He is the author and presenter of online business, finance, and political economy podcast, Nigerian News Sustainability Economy (NNSE), and the Eniton Sanusi Pitch series. Mr. Eniton Sanusi has majority shareholdings interest in Climate Friendly Capital Management Company Limited, a sustainability and climate-focused advisory and investment capital firm. ASPAC Multimedia Resilient TV Shows is Nigeria's most preferred partner for cross-border fundraising rounds, investor relation engagements, media communications, global marketing network, and compelling digital technology-driven content creative campaigns. Thank you.